Kyvol Cybovac E30. Enhanced navigation system, smart real-time mapping, 2200 PA sanction, ultra thin, advanced 3-stage cleaning system with smart app and voice control and auto carpet boost and obstacle detection. Snap the side brushes. There you go. Snap on. Perfect. Alright. Set up the charger and plug in. And next, charge the vacuum to the base. Blinking orange is indicating charging. Cool. Just wait for 6 hours for fully charged, and if you see the solid blue color, meaning the vacuum is charged. Reverse it or turn it over. Find the red button, push and power on. Return it to the base and ready for cleaning. There you go. And next is press the auto button and start for cleaning. If you want to charge your vacuum manually, just press the home button and automatically go home.
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah, 못나도 내겐 미워. Yeah, 말해도 내겐 미워. Yeah, I want more money. Yeah, I want more money. 못나도 내겐 미워. Yeah, 말해도 내겐 미워.
When the battery get low, the Kyvol Cybovac automatically go home for recharging. Awesome. The Kyvol Cybovac can work 150 minutes and cover up 2,150 square feet. Awesome.
못나도 내겐 미워. Yeah, 말해도 내겐 미워. Yeah. 못나도 내겐 미워.
Using smartphone,
말해도 내겐 미워.
download the app Kyvol, add E30. Now press clean. Now you can clean your home everywhere you are. Super high technology. Alright.
Won't you call me when you get this?
Alexa, Kyvol Cybovac. This is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice basic control. After clean up, get the dustpan and clean it, and also make sure the filter clean or replace the new filter.
You 말해도 내게 미워. Yeah. I want
Super wow. Smart zigzag. Smart navigation. This is low profile design. Easy to clean the bed and furniture. It does great cleaning job. Alright.
너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 I don't give a
Thank you, Kyvol Cybovac, for cleaning my floor. Super smart cleaning and powerful cleaning. Yay! Super awesome. Beautiful floor. Alright. Yay!
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a
나도 내게 미워. Yeah. 말해도